The creation hymn from the Rig Veda, a hymn from the Rig Veda pondering the origin of the universe. It reflects on the mysteries of creation, suggesting that even the gods may not know how existence began, blending curiosity with philosophical depth. The creation hymn from the Rig Veda explores the universe's origins, describing a state of emptiness before anything existed. The hymn highlights the mystery of creation. It concludes that even the gods may not fully know how creation began, encouraging humility and the ongoing search for knowledge. The creation hymn from the Rig Veda explores the origins of the universe, questioning what existed before creation and whether there was a divine creator. It suggests that the true origin remains unknown, highlighting the mystery and vastness of creation. Rather than providing clear answers, the hymn encourages reflection, celebrating the balance between light and darkness, order and chaos. It inspires us to appreciate the wonder of existence and the intricate nature of the universe.